Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you how easy it is to use this light panel to do light therapy for muscles and joints. I recently was doing some DIY job in bathroom and I bruised my hand, as you see here, and this light is helping me to recover these muscles quicker, hopefully. This video is of course not a medical advice, so if you have any health issues with your muscles and joints, always consult the relevant specialist. But I want to show you how easy it is to use this small panel to do light therapy on your muscle and joint or any other area you feel achy and you want to just get some benefits out of red light therapy at home. So this is Mito PRO Mobile, the latest handheld therapy panel from Mito. They kindly sent me this one so I can do some testing, unboxing, demonstrations and show you this light so you can see how it works and how to use it. Because now you cannot really go to the shop and check out this kind of equipment. You only rely on whatever information you have from internet. And how can you make the well-informed decision if you don't watch a video about the product and decide by yourself if this is the right equipment for you or not? So this, as you see, it's a small therapy panel which covers this area of your body. Let me just make the light brighter so you can see better, because it was on 25%. So as you see, this is the coverage of the panel. And usually when I do muscles and joints, I will actually put it on my hand because I want the light to penetrate deep into my muscles and joints. And for this arm, as you see, I just basically put the light on it and just sit like it comfortably. 5 to 10 minutes. I like for muscles to do 10-minute sessions, and the light actually has got timer for 10 minutes, so it will switch off automatically after the session is over. And at the same time I can watch something on the television, or I can do something on my mobile, or just if I want to play some music and just relax, if this is how I like to spend the session. So everybody is different. I usually listen to something like audiobook or maybe some podcaster, and while I do light therapy. And I like to do light therapy in bed because it's in my opinion the most comfortable after I have a bath or shower, because it's better to do light therapy on your clean skin. So let's say if you have any creams applied earlier, it's better not to have any creams because they may have some sort of filters and other components that may block the light a little bit. And when you have skin just washed from the bath or from the shower, then you can just then you know that the most light is getting in and doing some beneficial work for your muscles and joints. And as you know, light therapy has been used for many years for muscles and joints. Sport people use it, people who have some sort of aches and pains in the muscles, because red light therapy works to improve the muscle recovery. Let's say after a very tough game or maybe very intense work. Let's say if you do very physical work, you lift up some heavy equipment or maybe just move a lot your muscles, and then you feel achy after the busy day, then light therapy on this may be, in my opinion, very beneficial. But of course, always check and consult with your relevant specialist. I cannot offer you advice because I don't know your situation, and anyway, I'm not a doctor. I prefer to use this kind of small panel on top of my body, but with my larger panel I would of course stay from a distance about 6 to 12 inches away. And of course, having a larger panel, it will shine on a larger area of my body. If you have a really big panel, you can actually get a light all over your body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, of course depending on your situation. Do you have space for it at home? And do you want to stand in front of the light panel? Or some people can't. Some people actually they are so achy, for instance, that they would like to do light therapy in bed. So they will get the panel like this, lie down in bed, and then just put the light on the area which you want to treat with light, and just relax and wait 10 minutes until the session is over. And if you have, let's say, both hands achy, then you can do another session on another part of the body. If you really want to cover the whole body with therapeutic light while you are lying down, because, for instance, you first of all prefer lying down, you don't like standing up, and some people can't stand up for 10 minutes because, let's say they are either too achy, or they have some health problems that they made them bedbound. So of course, for this purpose, you have a large panel which is attached to the horizontal stand, and that's the ideal solution for this. And for people who have space, they can even use light bed for lying down comfortably and do light therapy on both sides of their body at the same time. But most of the people probably would just benefit from having a small panel like this. And it's so versatile that you can do light therapy on muscles and joints, and if you want to as well, you can do some light therapy for your face. Look, it covers all my face, and you can of course do light therapy, which some people call anti-aging. If this is how you would like to use the light, I use this kind of light mostly to do light therapy for my muscles and joints, sometimes do on my teeth and gums as well, because when you do light therapy using near-infrared light, it actually goes deeper through your skin, affecting muscles, joints, and even bones. I've read that when you do light therapy on your head, the light, near-infrared light, can actually penetrate through the skull to your brain and positively affect your cognitive skills. Maybe in the future, if light therapy will be so inexpensive and affordable that we will have more research about positive benefits of light on people who have some sort of problems with thinking, especially elderly people who may have some problems with memory. Maybe we will have in the future some scientific research showing that shining light on our brain through the skull is actually very beneficial for them. We'll see about that, but at the moment I'm using the light mostly for my muscles and joints, for my face, to help with having better skin, and I try to reduce my bald patch doing light therapy for my hair. Of course, ideally for hair you would use larger panels so you can shine all over your head, or even better, people actually get themselves a red light therapy helmet, which is specifically designed to do light therapy for head, for hair improvement. I haven't got it yet. But I'm doing with this light what I can, and I really enjoy lying down. It's very relaxing. Lie down, listen to some music, and do light therapy on this area where I've got the bald patch. So I hope this video gave you some information about how easy it is to use this light panel. If you are interested more about this product, you can check my affiliate link down below. And remember, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but I'm affiliated Mito Lights, who is producing this panel, and they send me this one so I can demonstrate how it works, how it looks, and by doing so help you make the very well informed decision if this is the right panel for you. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from watching it. Check out Mito website for lights they offer. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing for more information about red light therapy at home. Thank you very much for watching.